Hello, magical colors, boys and girls. Today we're going to make sheep. Okay, to make a sheep, we're going to do U. Okay, and then we're going to make like a flower on the head, like this. So simple, right? Now let's make an ears. Just go down, curve, and go up and connect and make one line inside. Okay, let's do it on the other side as well. Go curve, go down, and one more. Okay, like a leaf. Yeah. Now let's make a body. To make a body, what do? We make a curve like a 3. Keep on making like a curve line all the way round till the down here by the mouth. Okay, let's put the mouth first. Make like a Y. Okay, for their mouth, you can make nice round eye like this. Okay, now continue from here. Curve, and make and connect. That's so simple, right? Now they have 4 legs. Let's make it like a letter J. Then one more letter J. Keep little apart, okay? We're going to come back. The first one is small, second one is big. On the other side, first one is small and second one is little bigger. Okay? Now we're going to connect with one more line that goes down, out and in, like a little pointy from one side. Okay, here also down, out, in and connect. Just like this. Go down, out and in and connect. Down, out, in and connect. So easy, right? Now let's put some wool inside the fleece, their skin. They have lot of like fur, but it is called what? It is called a fleece, and it is covered with the wool. And from the wool, what do you make? You can make yarn, you can make coats, you can make jackets, sweaters. Yeah. Let's make one more here. Okay. They all like to travel in a group. Let's make a U again. Make a flower on the top. And then let's make this side, okay, like a small one probably for the baby. Babies are called lamb, okay. This is the mama and this is the baby. Baby has small ears and a small body, but just like a mama. Yeah, and they have fleece as well. Now we need to make how many legs? 4. So let's make like a letter J goes down and the second one is small. The second one is small and the first one is bigger. Okay, from the other side, come out and connect. Come out and go in and connect. Make a line, come out and connect. Make a line, come out and connect. Let's make one more. You can make as many as you want. Okay, let's make this one little more bigger. Bigger than the mama. Okay, that is a papa sheep. Okay, what is the papa sheep called? It is called ram. Okay, so they are also very, very big and they have more and more wool. And then what do? They shave. The farmers who take care of them, they shave their body and take out all the fleece, that is wool, and then they turn it into wool and yarn, and then you can make sweaters and jackets. Just make some curved lines to show that there is lot of wool. Now you make again letter J, come down from the other side, point and connect. This side also a little bit longer. Make a J, come down, go out and connect. This side also letter J, come down and connect. And one more last. How many legs do they have? They have 4 legs and they all travel together, right? So their papas are called ram, okay, and mamas are called sheep, and the babies are called what? Lamb. Okay, so we have all 3. Now you draw and color as you like. You can also put some grass, because what do they like? They like to eat lot of grass and plants and vegetables. They likes to eat. They mostly live in the farm, or they can live with the shepherd very far, and they are sometimes wild as well, and they go far and far away where they find some green grass to eat. Okay, now you draw and you color as you like. You put some here as well for the baby to eat some grass. Yeah. Okay, now you color and draw and put one sun if you like to, like this. Just one little sun coming from the sky. Where is the sky? What is the color of sky? It is blue. Let's make some blue clouds. Okay, clouds are white, but they're in the sky, and we have white color paper, so we are just going to show some clouds here and there. Okay, now you do it. Take care. Bye.